Let's take a look at some of this historical information regarding what's happened in the marketplace over the last 5 years. You can see in Westchester County, sale prices have not really tanked. The green represents 2022, the yellow 2021, and then the previous 3 years underneath that. You can see that sale price versus original list price are still holding their own and have done so throughout the year. It was really excessive in the summer months, and now it's dropped off, which it traditionally does every fall and winter. Take a look at the average sale price for homes over the last year. The green line you can see peaked in Westchester well above $1 million. It's now come down to where it's below $1 million, but it's still hovering well above where it's been the year before. Take a look at average price per square foot in Westchester County. Another good indicator that home prices and the value of homes is still well above where it was the previous year. The market has not tanked in the fourth quarter, as you may believe if you've read a lot of the headlines. We'll get to that point. Single family homes, units sold. You can see where units sold are way down in Westchester County. Every summer the last 5 years, they've always peaked and they've come back down. The gray line represents what happened there in 2020, the year of the pandemic. Everything kind of slowed down and then took off late in the year. But other than that, every fall, there's a big decrease in the traditional sales. And lastly, number of active listings. You can see the green represents 2022, the yellow represents 2021, and 2020 is the gray. So every year for about the last 5 years now, inventories have come way, way, way down. That's what's really causing a lot of the headaches, and people are believing the market's fallen apart. The market has not fallen apart. It's just that the inventory has fallen apart. So with a lot less supply, you still have strong selling activity, and prices are still holding their own, even with the increase in interest rates. Putnam County, you're going to see a very similar story. The green representing 2022 sale price versus original list. You can see it was over 100% in the middle of the summer. It's come down to below that, but it's still holding its own. Average sale price, you can see again, 2022, the green is well above where it was a year ago. And the average price per square foot consistently above what the price per square foot was a year ago. And they take a look at the units sold. Again, traditionally, they kind of peak in the summer months and come back down here in the fall of the year. Happens every year. It's a 5-year period here. And the only anomaly is 2020 when we had the pandemic and everything took off late in the year. And again, what's driving everything here? Number of active listings. You can see the inventory in Putnam is at an all-time low for the last 5 years as well. So it's a supply and demand issue driving this whole marketplace, and we expect that to continue. Anyhow, that's it for this week. Now is the time to prepare your home for the spring market. If you're thinking of selling your home, we're now taking appointments for pre-marketing consultations, and we can provide you advice, suggestions, what to do, what not to do. Give us a call now and get on our schedule early. So until next week, enjoy the nice mild winter we're having, and we'll talk to you next week.